Welcome back to episode 7 of my Soup of the Week series, where every Thursday night at 7 PM I release a brand new soup recipe just for you. This week we're making a green lentil and vegetable broth, and this is how you do it. So we're going to start by preparing the vegetables. We've got 1 medium onion, 1 large carrot, 1 stick of celery, 1 small leek and 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to peel and dice the onion, peel and dice the carrot, dice up the celery stick, finely slice the leek, and then peel and finely slice the garlic. Now place a saucepan over medium heat and add in 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil's hot, it's time to add in the onions, carrot, leek and celery. Leave the garlic out for now. Add in a little pinch of salt. This helps to draw out the moisture because we're going to cook these for about 5 minutes until they go soft and the onions are transparent. Okay, the vegetables have been cooking for about 5 minutes and the onions are now transparent and the other veg is soft. At this point we're going to add in the sliced 2 cloves of garlic, and then we'll take 1 bay leaf, give it a little tear and pop that in as well. Cook the garlic out for 2 minutes before the next stage. Now we'll pour into the pan 1 litre of vegetable stock. Now turn the soup up and then we're going to bring that to the boil. When it comes to the boil, we'll add in 100 grams of green lentils. Place the lid on and cook 25 to 30 minutes until the lentils are tender. So after 30 minutes or so of cooking, the lentils should be tender. And then it's time just to taste it and give it a little season to make sure it's to your taste. Give it a little pinch of salt. You can grind a black pepper if it's needed. And then finish it with about a tablespoon of chopped parsley. Give everything a good stir. And then it's time to serve. To serve, ladle your soup into the bowl. And remember to take that bay leaf out. And serve with some good crusty bread. So that's how I make my green lentil and vegetable broth. It's really good for you, it's packed full of veggies, and it's also got all those lentils in there that are full of protein, so it is really a lunch that will set you up for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to learn how to make a slightly more spicy soup, then check out this video up here.